I'm over at our pre-owned building, and the inventory over here is just absolutely so good. It's as good as it's ever been. I want to show you a very special car that literally just got here, and it's already sold. This is an Acura NSX Type S, and our new pre-owned sales manager, Adam, decided to get creative, went online, bought this on Bring a Trailer, and then was able to sell it to a local VIP within a day of it arriving here. This is absolutely stunning. This is got to be one of the only blue ones out there, and I know we've talked a lot about blue and resale value. I have to put a disclaimer on this, that colors like this and blues on sports cars or exotic cars, luxury cars, kind of a different story, right? Like China blue on the G-Wagon, for example. Easily one of the most valuable and popular colors. So the rule doesn't necessarily apply to cars like this, but just absolutely stunning vehicle. Carbon fiber everywhere. Down here on the rear diffuser, on the side skirts. Just what a machine. Gotta give a tip of the cap to Acura for bringing back the NSX and just making it such a spectacular car. But I love how Adam got creative to find inventory, took a chance going to a site that usually caters to consumers and end users, was able to find this NSX, buy it at a price that left some room for a profit, and was able to turn around and sell the car instantly. We know without risk in used cars, there's little opportunity for reward. But I want to take you through some of the other really great cars that we've got in stock. This is a Platinum Magno G63. This is a very underrated color, one of my favorites. It's like a light silver matte finish. This has got a Bengal red interior. I really love Bengal red. See if you can see it through the window here. Bengal red is like a darker red, so it's a little bit less intense than a classic red or a red pepper, which are very bright. And this is a little bit more subdued, so it kind of gives you that sporty vibe without being too over the top. Really great looking G-Class here. This is a recent trade-in that we got on a G63. This car came from Florida, Sun Yellow G550, which is a very fun color, bright, loud, different. You know me, I'm all about doing bright, loud, and different on used or new G-Wagons because the color palette available to you on these trucks is just absolutely insane. So you might as well take advantage so that you don't necessarily have the same car as everybody else. This one has tinted windows, so it's hard to see, but it's got a black interior. Love the Sun Yellow, very fun. Obviously, a color that's a little bit more specific, so you're looking for a buyer that wants to go that different route. Then over here, a couple of more classic. This is just an obsidian black car with the 22-inch crosspoke wheels, and then a matte black car with the crosspoke wheels as well. Always keeping the G63 inventory right and tight. This is a 2025. You can tell, biggest difference, easiest way to tell is look at the lower front bumper there. So you can see this has got the very defined air flicks going into the radiator there, whereas you've got the traditional closed front lower valence there on the 2023 model, I believe this is. Take you over to some of our other vehicles. We've got a Maserati Grecale here. This is Maserati's smaller SUV, a little bit smaller than the Levante. They sound great, they look great. Certainly better to buy them used than new. Let that first owner take that massive hit of depreciation. Here's a fun looking Bronco Sport in like a super, super dark midnight blue color. Lots of Rovers. Oh my goodness, do we take a lot of Land Rovers and Range Rovers on trade. We've got a couple of Defenders, have a white Defender here, and we have this Defender, which is a green wrap. It's like a matte green wrap on this Defender. Super cool color with that kind of Savannah brown interior. Looks like we've got the same interior here, but a little bit of a different. This is actually a little lighter, and you've got the seats are all beige, whereas here you've got kind of that two-tone brown and beige. Wild. And this looks like a 130, and this is a short guy here. So this is the long one, and this looks like a 90. So that's the shorty. We have a big GMC Yukon Denali. Have a nice Genesis, Volvo. Man, we have all the fun stuff. This is a Volvo XC90. I have to give credit to Volvo for doing an excellent job with the XC90. It still is one of the best SUVs in that mid-size segment. It does often have a third row, and they've just done a great job. I mean, hats off to the XC90, GV80 here for the Genesis, and then we've got a Vistic Cadillac. This is one of their electrics. These have good reviews as well. Sharp looking car for sure. Have the little Cadillac SUV here. Have a Macan electric. Check this out. This is a fun blue color. A little bit more of a brightness to it than China blue. Really love the look of the Macan electric. It is a sharp looking car. That's a 4S. Wow, sharp. Gotta love that. And then we've got our big Cadillac Escalade. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. Got a big Range Rover over here. This is a fun color. It looks very much like Alpine Gray, one of these flat gray paints that are very popular right now. This is an autobiography. Big truck there. And then we go down the line. Got a BMW here. Got a CLA Mercedes. Have a Lincoln Nautilus. EQS. More BMW action. Look at this. Wow. Look at this big boy. Got an i7 xDrive 60. That's the electric BMW. Have an E53. This is a 2025. This was a brass hat, so it's a new car. It's never been titled, but it no longer is considered new by Mercedes-Benz, so it can't be leased. But that, I think it has like 2,000 miles on it, not much. Practically brand new. Have an S-Class here in white. And then we have a Sealy Coupe. This is also a former brass hat. It's a Sealy 450, so it's got the 6-cylinder, and that as well was a brass hat. That's no longer considered new, but it does, it's never been titled. So interesting opportunity there. And then you have an X7 M60. This is a cool color. This is kind of it's like Alpine Gray with a little bit of seafoam in it. Got the big M Sport wheels on it. Sharp looking alternative to the GLS right there. We have what looks like another BMW i7. We do take in BMWs from time to time, but this is not an i7, it's a 760. There you go. So credit to BMW for getting that similar styling from the electrics to the ICE vehicles. And by doing that, you can't really tell exactly walking up to it which is which. So you've got a big 7 Series there. Let's check out the interior. They have kind of a nice dark brown interior in the BMW. So, and here's a really fun one. Check this out. 718 Cayman. Now this just came in. Love this. Look at this. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a style edition. It's a 2025. Just got here. There's the decal on the front hood. I'm a big 718 fan. In fact, in general, I think dollar for dollar, I like 718s more than I like 911s. I know, maybe I'm crazy, but I think for what you get for the money, they're excellent to drive. Look, 911's absolutely insane. Anybody who has the means to afford one should drive one at some point in their life if they can, because they are truly spectacular. But if you don't want to go quite that big, then a 718 is a great consolation. Kevin, take you inside here, and there's our Lamborghini Urus. Beautiful, beautiful Aston Martin DBS. Woo! What do you think of that car, Emmett?
I'm trying to sell it actually.
Are you? Ah,
Aston Martin.
it's an Aston Martin. It's an Aston Martin. That's the Boston special.
It's coming in. It's going to be here soon.
Yeah, we have the R on order.
There's a guy trying to trade in 3 SRTs for it.
3 SRTs. Wow, look at this beautiful green paint. Aston Martin.
Yeah, look at the inside.
Martin. Is it open or is this going to go off on me?
It's definitely not open. I grabbed the key. Oh, maybe it is.
It is. Look at that. Ooh, like a dark green interior. Beautiful. Wow, green on green. Carbon fiber roof. Absolutely diabolical. Now over here in the corner is a real treat. What's up, brother? All good. This is a 2013 SL63 AMG. I think it's got about 47,000 miles on it. Carbon fiber spoiler. This was the last generation of SL that was built with a hard top. Has the polished wheels on it. Just arrived. It's going to go through reconditioning and service. But wow, what a beautiful car. Very pretty. Carbon fiber on the mirrors, carbon fiber on the spoiler, black interior, carbon fiber trim. Spectacular. I know that some people were split on the styling of this generation of SL. I think it's aged very gracefully, and if you want a hardtop, it's about the most cost-effective way you can do it. Still have our S63 Cabriolet. Lunar blue, blue top, saddle brown interior. This is a classy spec. And then we have our little Porsche corner over here, where you've got a 911 Carrera S Cabriolet, a Ford GTS. I'm a big GTS guy, big fan. Here's our Cabrio interior. Here is your Ford GTS. And then of course we've got the GT3 that we talked about last time we took a walk around, in oak green metallic with this just monstrosity of a wing. Beautiful, beautiful car. And that's just a small sampling of some of the fun things that we have here at Mercedes-Benz of North Olmsted. Kudos to Adam for really jumping in, going all out, and acquiring as much inventory as he possibly can. Look, you gotta take some chances buying some stuff if you want to sell a lot of cars. I mean, you have to have the cars first to be able to sell them. And I love what I'm seeing over here. A fun inventory. This is just a small piece of it, but it's fun. Look, when you sell Mercedes-Benzes every day, as I have been for the last 15 plus years, it's nice to get a beautiful variety of trade-ins and acquisitions. And don't forget, we are always buying cars. We are always paying big money for cars. So if you have one that you're looking to sell, you don't have to trade it to us. We will buy it from you. We'll come pick it up, or you can bring it here, whatever you want. But I'll put a link in the bio where you can go and get a value on your vehicle. Now make sure that once you get that value, first you're going to get a range and then request a firm offer. That's where we take a look and really dial in and give you the exact number. But anyway, if you're not following already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I've got lots of long content, lots of short content. My name is Doug Horner with BenzsandBowties, and thank you for taking a little lot walk with me here in the middle of May. Finally warming up a little bit in Cleveland. Hopefully it stays that way. Talk to y'all soon.